In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Outlook.com storage limit using OneDrive in just 5 minutes. It's quite common for folks to hit the storage limit on Outlook.com, especially if you're using a free account. But don't worry, we're here to help you optimize your storage in no time. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the main Outlook website. This is the hub for all things related to your emails and accounts, and it's where our journey begins. Simply open your preferred web browser, type in outlook.com, and hit enter. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you are logged into your account if prompted. Next, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the Outlook interface for the settings icon, which looks like a cog or a gear. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu with a variety of options. From this menu, select View All Outlook Settings at the bottom to access more in-depth configurations. You'll find yourself on the Settings page, which is divided into several categories like General, Mail, Calendar, and People. Instead of navigating through these, look for the section labeled Account and go ahead and click on it. This section houses important information regarding your account status, including storage details. In the next step, within the account settings, you'll see an option labeled Storage. Click on this to get an overview of how your storage is being used. You can see a breakdown of how much space is occupied by emails, attachments, and other files. One way to free up space is by clicking on Free Up Space options. This section provides suggestions and tools for managing and reducing your storage footprint. A great place to start is with your attachments. Click on the Outlook attachments to manage those large files that can often take up a surprising amount of space. Consider downloading and saving them locally if they are important, then remove them from your Outlook account to free up space. Moreover, don't forget to check your deleted items and other folders. Here, you can permanently delete old or unwanted emails that you won't be needing in the future. It's amazing how much space you can regain this way just by clearing out unnecessary clutter. Another area to consider is your junk email folder. Make sure to permanently delete items from here as well. Junk emails can pile up quickly, taking up valuable space, so make a habit of clearing this folder regularly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your Outlook.com storage limit. Keeping a tidy inbox will ensure you don't run into space issues in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.